Guiding the unguided, Karachi's traffic police officials are trying to control the unmeasurable mess on the roads. And this is not the worst case scenario, because in the worst case, they simply become invisible. Most of the times, people think that the officials themselves are responsible for all the mess that they see on the roads.
कराची की ट्रैफिक में बोल रहा हूँ अल्लाह करे कल की मरती आज मर जाए.
अब जो जानने वाला वो जा रहे हैं उनको सलाम कर रहे हैं वो जाने दे रहे हैं जो जानने वाला नहीं उनका चालान काट रहे हैं.
ला रिश्वत दो ना दो तो चालान करो बॉन्ड करवा दो गाड़ी. अब गरीब आदमी कहाँ से बॉन्ड करवाएगा गाड़ी. 1000 रुपए दे के छुड़ा के कौन लेके आएगा.
Authorities say they only have 2,000 policemen to control an estimated over 2 million vehicles on the roads. That puts the ratio at 1 policeman for about 1,000 vehicles. Perhaps that's the reason that the officials on top seem helpless.
And we have less police personnel than Lahore even. Lahore has a less population, but double of personnel are working in. It is very difficult. But in spite of these problems, our people are managing very well.
But it's not just the traffic police that has to be blamed squarely. Experts say that they are just a part of the entire problem.
In my opinion, there is not one single solution. It has to be a coordinated solution based on what we call as 3 E's. One is the engineering. We have to provide a system which should be comprehensive and working. Second one is the education, that we should have the users to be properly trained for using that system properly. And the third E is the enforcement. And that enforcement requires a willpower of course, everyone. Because if a policeman is giving a challan, I should accept it if I am breaking the law.
Recently, Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani made an announcement to double the salaries of police in Sindh, something most believe would boost efficiency and discourage corruption in the traffic police. But that has not happened yet.
On average, a traffic police official works about 10 to 12 hours on the roads. Aside from doing what he does, he has to face harsh weather, pollution of all kinds, and the worst of all, a disobedient behavior of the people. Expecting any quick changes in this state of affairs is perhaps asking for a bit too much. Aftab Borka, DawnNews, Karachi.